Every surface hides a story, every moment a connection. Beneath the visible lies a network. What we see is only part of the story. The rest lies just beyond the edge of understanding. The question is not what we observe, but how do we belong to it? The building ahead is more than just a brick and glass. It's alive with intention, like a part of the network itself. The lines between the architecture and thought. Within these walls, ideas converge, merge, and evolve. And what was separate becomes whole as a knot with everything around it. Inside, the invisible threads emerge, winding through every kernel, linking past the feature, thought to creation, the individual to the infinite. Each connection is a fragment of something larger, a pulse in the system, a question seeking its answer. This is where surfaces tell their stories, where the smallest details hold the largest truths. An atomic scale landscapes revealing the world at nanoscale. Light carves the patterns in chip, crafting the building blocks of innovation. Every tool here becomes an extension of curiosity. Here, transformation takes the center stage. The oven refines, the plasma cleaner breathes life into surfaces, and the chemical bench becomes a stage for reactions. PDMS molds take shape, capturing the precision in their form with the smallest measurements that unlock the potential. This is the heart of creation, a workshop where ideas take physical forms. Drills, tools, and old equipment find new purposes. Where fixing a building bridges the gap between imagined and real. Here is a general-purpose lab with some sunlight that invites you for discovery. Microscope stands ready to reveal the unseen, devices for precision and safety. Open and versatile, the lab is crossroads for ideas where the simplest tools uncover the most profound details. Now, step into the cell lab, where the invisible becomes immortal. Inside the incubators, life takes shapes, survive in precise conditions. Under the hood, every movement matters, a delicate mixture of sterility and care. Each piece of equipment is a gateway to understanding how cells grow, communicate, and feel. With a touch of precision, an incubated microscope captures life as it unfolds, seamlessly blending observation with control. Meanwhile, surface interferometry maps the finest details, transforming surfaces into landscapes for discovery, and it reveals the dimensions we are only beginning to explore. This is a lab where light becomes a storyteller. A microscope captures moments too fleeting for the ear, freezing them in clarity. Total refractor reveals the delicate dense at surfaces, while the light sheet immerses us in layers of living complexity. Each instrument transforms light into understanding, uncovering what lies beneath and beyond. Somewhere in the distance, beyond sight or touch, a world calls to us, a network of unseen threads binding thought, space, and time. It pulls at the edges of our existence, whispering not of answers, but the endless questions that define us.